You like the sound of that, Stephen?
Oh, yep. I love the sound of that. Yeah, it makes my adrenaline go every time I hear it.
I was born in Birmingham.
Really?
In 1978.
She wants me to go to Birmingham and show our son.
Or my childhood home. I sure do.
Or Birmingham.
Irondale.
Okay.
By Mountain Brook.
Yeah, I know Birmingham really well.
Oh, do you?
So that time,
Okay.
is it signed several different times? No, it's just signed once. Oh, well then it shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. Nobody's just had it as they signed the title. Well, then there should be no problem. Okay.
AJ, look at this. And what year is this, did you say?
2008.
AJ, you want to touch the handlebars like you're driving? Don't let him knock it over. AJ, okay, so again, we were in Gadsden, Alabama, and AJ is on a 2008. Please count that.
We got 66, so it should be 60.
Hey, Bubby.
This motorcycle is blinking.
It's blinking. I must have the turn signal on. So, AJ's sporting his UK Wildcats.
Don't touch any buttons.
Don't touch any
I
buttons.
won't, but it does
He is a
blink.
button toucher.
Oh, he is. He is a button toucher. So, AJ, what do you think of that? That's Daddy's new ride. What do you think about it?
I'm glad I'm going to repaint it. It needs it. I can see that. It's got orange peel in it.
All right,
You
AJ.
did a good job.
Okay, so AJ, you were asking Mr. Layton about, what were you asking Mr. Layton about? Hey?
He was asking about the what this was on the bottom of the gauge, the digital readout for all the stuff on the bike. He thought it was GPS.
Okay. On it, which is not appropriate for Mr. AJ, is it? Not appropriate. What did your girlfriend think of that?
She hates motorcycles.
Oh, does she?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, so, yeah, Daddy's going to have to cover this up over here. And thank you, Mr. Brad, for having it covered up for little innocent eyes.
Oh, because the key fob's near it. It's just let you know that the key is near it. So it's sensing the key.
Also, it's got the 2008 system on
It does.
So, Stephen, I think he's got the title out there in front of for you.
it. Well, he don't need to do anything to it.
I'm just making out a bill of sale.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Do you have a copy for yourself?
I got a copy.
Okay.
Okay. So if you just fill out this side on both of them, so we'll both have a copy.
Hey, secretary.
But we need your signature, Stephen.
Yeah, but I would like a little bit more orange.
I think it looked good black.
Yeah, black would look good too.
Black and all that crawl, that black would be. If I was gonna keep it, that's what I would do. I'd paint it black. Like I don't know if I would do matte black or a shiny black. Probably shiny black. Maybe a little pearl in it.
Well, you got a combination of the flat on the motor.
You can.
I don't want to. I'm not used to it.
I've never done it either.
All right, well,
Never.
let's push it then.
Yeah. Let's see.
You've never ridden it?
Yeah, I've rode it down the road once, just to make sure everything was mechanically correct on it before I bought it.
Wow, this makes for nice footage. Two grown men pushing a motorcycle up a hill. Work it, Stephen.